Hi, this is Mr. Miller, and this video is about polynomial differences and degrees. What we want to learn how to do is to tell the degree of a polynomial function from a table of values. And we're going to use differences to do this. We also want to use our work to predict future values of the function. Okay, here's our one and only example. We have a table here that contains the values of a polynomial function. And we want to use differences to determine the degree of the function. And we also want to see if we can extend the pattern and find this missing value right here. Well, we're going to start by taking the first differences. So I'm going to take the difference in the function values here. Negative 2 minus 6 is negative 8. And we're going to do 4 minus a negative 2, which is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 10 minus 6 is 4. 46 minus 10 is 36. And I'm not sure what this difference is going to be, but I'll put it in there because we don't know the value of the function there yet. All right, those are the first differences. And to be honest, when I look at them, I don't see much of a pattern yet. So what we're going to do is continue on and find the second differences. It's the differences of the differences. Okay, well, when I subtract these two, 6 minus a negative 8 is 14. 2 minus 6 is negative 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 36 minus 4 is 32. And this one, I don't know yet. I don't know this number, so I don't know the difference between 36 and that number. All right, well, unfortunately, I still don't see much of a pattern here. So we took the first differences, the second differences. Now we're going to move on and take the third differences and hope that we see something. Negative 4 minus 14 is negative 18. 2 minus a negative 4 is 6. And 32 minus 2 is 30. All right, those were the third differences. And not really seeing anything yet, but I'm not going to give up. I'm going to go ahead and find one more. So when I take the differences here, 6 minus a negative 18 is 24. And let me see, 30 minus 6 is 24. Oh, finally, we see that the fourth differences are constant. Well, that tells me that this is a fourth degree polynomial. It's a quartic. So quadratic functions have constant second differences. Cubic functions have constant third differences. Quartic or fourth degree polynomials have constant fourth differences. And if we went on, fifth degree polynomials would have constant fifth differences. That's the pattern here. Okay, well, I missed one of my little differences here. I'm going to put this in, and I'm going to put another one here because we're going to work backwards and find the missing value. So I know the difference between 30 and the number that goes here is 24, since all my fourth differences are 24. That means that this number here is 30 plus 24, which is 54. Okay. Now that I know that this is 54, 32 plus 54 would be this number. So this must be 86. And that works because 86 minus 32 is 54. And then finally, I know that the difference here is 86. So 36 plus 86 is 122. So that's the difference between this term and this term. So finally, we've kind of made it here. This term right here must be 46 plus 122, which happens to be 168. Wow, we did it. We worked hard. We were able to uncover the patterns of this polynomial function and continue at one term. The missing value is 168. Well, that's an example of the awesome math we're doing in this lesson. Hope this helps.